Have you ever thought about what happens in our brains when we read a book? It's really miraculous. For instance, multiple regions of the brain become active when we read. Processes like recognizing words, understanding them, and creating context involve different parts of the brain working together like an orchestra. When we read, our brain's language centers, namely the Broca and Wernicke areas, are working very hard. The Broca area manages our speaking and writing skills, while the Wernicke area is responsible for comprehending language. So, while reading, these two areas are in full swing, constantly forming new connections in our brains. Then there's visualization. When we read a good story, our brains are like watching a movie, visualizing the scenes. Our visual cortex helps us create these images in our minds. This means our imagination also kicks in and becomes enriched as we read. Additionally, reading increases our brain's flexibility or plasticity. Brain plasticity is our brain's ability to adapt to new information. Learning new things and reading about different topics strengthen this ability, which enhances our learning speed and problem-solving skills. Moreover, while reading, our brains release a chemical called dopamine. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter that gives us a sense of happiness and reward. Diving into a good book and connecting with the characters provides us great pleasure and increases dopamine secretion. So, reading also positively affects our mood. Finally, it's scientifically proven that reading enhances our empathy. When we read fiction, we try to understand the emotions and thoughts of the characters. This strengthens the regions of our brain associated with social skills, boosting our empathy. So, while we gain knowledge through reading, we also develop our emotional intelligence. Isn't it truly miraculous? Knowing that reading has such beneficial effects on our brain makes it even more appealing. What was the last book you read, and what impressed you the most about it?